Hello everyone, this is Chimeze. In this video I'll be showing you how to install WordPress via cPanel. If that is what you're interested in, then keep watching. I'm going to go to my cPanel, and guys, the cPanel is where the magic happens. That should take us to a completely different window. Alright, so guys, here on my cPanel, this is where I'm going to be installing my website. The app or the content management system we're going to use to be creating this blog is the WordPress CMS, and I can actually locate it from this Softaculous apps installer. I can locate the WordPress app from there, but let me check down also. So to launch our website, WordPress website, we can do that by clicking on WordPress, which is under the software group. And let me see what we have here. So also under the Softaculous apps installer, we also have WordPress here. So if you want to install your WordPress website for your blog, you can easily click on WordPress here or click on this Softaculous apps manager. Also, you will find WordPress there. So, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go to this WordPress logo here under the Softaculous apps installer group, and I'm going to click on it. So guys, that brings us to this page, and you are going to be surprised at how fast it is to create a website with WordPress. So right now, what I'm going to do is simply to click on install now, and that will bring me to this page. So it will be asking the version you want to install. That by default will install the latest version of WordPress, and the installation URL will be HTTPS. I'm going to use the HTTPS protocol and gloriachimeze.com. If I have more than one domain name registered under Namecheap, it will be listed here. But in this case, this is the only domain name I have. So yes, that is what I'll be leaving by default. Alright, so in the directory, you would want to leave this place blank. Here under site settings, we have the option of writing our site name and description, but I'm going to leave this because we'll still be able to change it once we launch our WordPress website. And this is where you create your admin username and password. And guys, this area is very important because this is the username and the password you are going to use to be logging into your WordPress website or blog. And this username and password has to be really secured, so you should use a username that you can remember. So I'm going to create my own username here, and guys, also make sure that you use a password that is really strong, a combination of uppercase, lowercase, characters and numbers. Make it really strong and unpredictable. That will also give you an added layer of security. So in this case, I'm going to type my own password. Right, so for the admin email, I am going to change it to the email address that I actually can receive notifications from and I have access to, because if there is any important updates or any unusual activity going on your website, that will be the email that they're going to send you notification to. So you would really want it to be an email address that you have immediate access to. So I'm going to change this admin email to my email. And of course, you can still change this email from once you launch your website. So here the language is English, which is okay. And I think that is all for now. So WordPress works with themes, and themes are a kind of pre-designed websites that you can choose from, and boom, your website is good to go. So for now, I am not going to bother myself about the theme because this is something that we can do once we launch our website, and I will just click on one here. So guys, this is really optional, so I'm just going to click on install. Alright, it's saying my password strength must be greater than 80, which means it's saying I have a weak password. So I'm going to try and make it stronger. And guys, our website is installing, and let's just give it some minutes. So guys, our WordPress installation was successful, and this is our website URL, and our administrative URL is this one, which is the URL we'll use to log into the back end of our website. So I'm going to click on it, or I'll right click and open it in a new tab. Alright guys, so this is our WordPress dashboard, and this is where the magic happens, and this is where we're going to be controlling the entire look and functionality of our website or blog.